So for this one, we are going to do the exact same. We are going to find out 122 equals some number times 11 plus some number. Well, let's think. 11 times 10 would be 110. So let's try it. 122 minus 110 would equal 12. Nope, so it's going to be 11 times 11. And what's going to be the remainder? 1. Because 11 times 11 is 121. So therefore, 122 over 11 is the exact same as 11, big 11, over 1/11. And to convert back, this one I will do. You want to say 11 times 11 equals 121 over 11 plus 1 over 11 equals 122 over 11. And there you go. Converted back, it worked out, it's the same, you've done it correctly.